How to fix an unknown error occurred. Please try again later error in CarX Street app. So let's start. Go to your settings. Go to the app management. Go to the app list. Now in the app list, search for the CarX Street app. Go to the CarX Street app. Now go to data usage details. Now in the data usage details, you will see these three options: disable mobile data, disable Wi-Fi and background data. You need to make sure that your background data should be enabled, and disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi should be disabled. Now go back. Again go to your settings. Go to connection and sharing. Now turn off your aeroplane mode to on to reset your Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Now restart your phone once again and your problem will get resolved. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.